Dave's Automotive Group is proud to present another great value.
Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. One owner. 4x4, 11,000 original miles, long bed, nationwide warranty. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 12,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. The sought-after, very low mile, well taken care of Chevrolet Silverado 2500 4x4 with this great price and included nationwide warranty make this package a great value. Key features include power steering and anti-lock brakes. Experience the difference at Dave's Automotive Group. Financing available. Call to schedule a test drive, 775-423-3809, or visit us at 2525 Reno Highway, in Fallon.